go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
Now it's time to head to our home for the night, the Dema Homestay. When we arrived at Dema Village Homestay, we were immediately whisked upstairs to the heart of the home. Before even seeing our room, we were seated for the traditional Bhutanese welcome. Suja, or butter tea, served with crisp, toasted rice. It's the universal gesture of hospitality here. Sitting in this massive sun-drenched living area, surrounded by hand-painted beams and the quiet hum of the household, you feel the pace of your trip instantly slowing down. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's an invitation into a family's daily rhythm. I want to show you the reality of a stay like this, because for the right traveler, these details are highlights. Our room was massive, surprisingly warm, and even had electricity to keep our gear charged. But you won't find a bathtub or a modern shower here. Instead, our host brought up 2 buckets of scalding hot water, which we mixed with a 3rd bucket of cold water to exact our preference. There's something so incredibly grounding about bathing with a ladle in a quiet farmhouse. It's not just about getting clean, it's about the extra effort your hosts make to ensure you're comfortable. It added a layer of authenticity to the night that a standard hotel just can't replicate. We fell asleep in the deep quiet of the village and woke up to breakfast in that same big living room, fueled and ready for the biggest challenge of the trip.
Always an adventure.
Always. That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.